Let's take a look at, this is question 2d, and I'm going to use this on a separate sheet of paper for this. They left a very small amount of room and they said there's space over the page, but I want to do the same thing on the same page. So it says use calculus to find the value of k if the line, this one here, is a tangent to the graph of this one here. So really this is a bit of an algebra exercise apart from calculus. So obviously this is a tangent if the gradients are the same. So let's find the gradient of this one here first. Find the differential of this one, which is the gradient function, and make this one equal to the gradient of this one, and then find out what value of x would be true when it is equal to the gradient of the other one. So here we go. So we've got y is equal to 6x plus k. And let's differentiate that. dy dx is equal to 6. There it is. That's the gradient. Let's have a look at the other one, which is f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 1. Let's go ahead and differentiate that. So f prime x is equal to 2x plus 2. Now we want to find out when the gradients are the same, and this gradient's 6. So let's make this gradient 6 and find out what x would be when it is. So if I subtract 2 from both sides, there it is. So 2x is going to equal 4. And dividing everything as much as we can by 2, we're left with x, which is 2. So that's the value when both are true. So what's the y value? When x is 2, what does y equals? So let's plonk this one here back into here. So that gives us our y. We can't put it back into here because it's got 2 unknowns. We want something with only one unknown, which is an x. So here it is, and we'll just rewrite it. So it's going to be let's see, it's going to be f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 1. I'm going to make that f of 2. I'm just going to move some stuff out of the way, sorry, because there's a lot of stuff here. I'll move this up a little bit so I can see the whole thing. Here we go. This is f of 2 is equal to, this is going to be 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 1. Which is 2 squared is 4 plus 4 minus 1. That's 8 minus 1. So f of 2, or if you like, y when x is 2, is going to be 7. So therefore y is equal to 7. Now we know that y is 7, and we know that x is 2. So now we can put y as 7 and x is 2 into here and solve for k. So let's do that. So we got y is equal to 6x plus k. But y is 7 and x is 2, so this should be an easy matter now. We've got 7 is equal to 12 plus k. Let's subtract 12 from both sides, leaving k is equal to negative 5. And that's how I would find k.